Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Tech with Abdul. In the previous lecture, we learned what programming is and why we use it. Today we are going to start learning something very important in Python, variable and data types. These are the building blocks of every program. You will learn how to store information like numbers, text and list, and how Python understands what type of data you are using. So let's start. Open your Python editor and we will start with some simple and fun examples. In previous lecture we learned what is programming and what is Python and why to learn Python, and now we are going to use variables. Like, what is variable? A variable is like a box that store information. You can give the box any name you want and change its value anytime. Example, think of a variable like saving someone's name in your phone or contact. When you save, give a name a person like Ali, then assign a value to it, 0, 3, 1, 2 or anything. You can call Ali anytime. You don't have to remember the name. We can use example for Python. Like we can name Abdul, then its age 25, then city, it will be Karachi, we can print this name, age and city. We can print name, print age, print city. After running it, you can see Abdul 25 and Karachi. How to create a variables in Python? Just write the variable name, then use equal sign to assign a value. You can see how I used it. We can use any other example for it, just like x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6. Then you can message a variable also. Hello, x and y. We can even do a math in it, like z equal to x plus y, plus y. We can add these numbers, print z, x plus y. You can see 5 plus x is equal to 11. There are some rules for variable names. We have to start with a letter or underscore. We can include numbers and underscores. We can use meaningful names. Things we can't use that we don't start with a number. Do not use spaces or special symbols like $, hash, वगैरह. Do not use Python keywords like if, while, etc. I can show you how we can use these. Name Abdul and underscore age 23, roll number equal to 111. We can add according to this. Name, we can start with letter or underscore. Age, you can see how I use it, and we can't use these things. These are invalid content variable names, like one name equal to Ali, my name equal to Sarah. You can see we got error. If we add here underscore, we can also get error because we start with a number. There are different types of variables. There are different types in Python of data types, just like integer, float, string, boolean, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Integer values are whole numbers. For example, age equal to 20, that's an integer, and height, we use decimal numbers for it, 175.5. These are the numbers. We store age 20, that's the integer value, and then we height is float number, and the text, that will be string, name equal to Abdul, string, then boolean is a student equal to true, then list subjects equal to math, science, history, that's the list data type. Then we can use tuple or set anything, person equal to name Abdul, age 20, is a student, true, that's the dictionary. Then we are using tuple box underscore tuple equal to bracket 85 88 90. This is tuple. Then we have last thing, set unique IDs, ID1, ID2, ID3. That's the set. We have to print these values like type, age, that's the integer, print type, height, I will show you how these are printed. You can see these age is the integer value, then height is a float value. It will show you how it is made up of. We are going to use another example like computer will ask us our name and age. Name is a variable for us. Input it will show us. Computer will ask us what is our name. Then it will ask our age. Enter your age. Then it will give us output. Hello. Name. Then he will give us a output. Your age is then age variable. Your age sorry you are, we have to use double quote. I will show you how these works. It is asking our name. I will give it Abdul. Then I will give my age. So hello Abdul, you are 23. It's correct. We can use any other example like a is equal to 10, b equal to 20. Print, it's for calculation. The sum of a and b is a plus b. Then we can use subtraction. The sum of a and b is a minus b. We can use it for multiplication and we can use it for divide as your wish. We have to commit it. After running, you can see, yes, you can see the sum of a and b, 10 plus 20 is 30. The subtraction between them will be minus 10 because a value is not larger than 20. We can use another example like price is equal to 99.5. That's the float value. You can understand it by the using dot between them, between the values. That will be decimal number. Item is equal to, can be anything like book. Print statement is used for the output. Item item for price. Don't forget to use these variables because it will not give us the correct output. You can see item, book, and price is 99.5. So what we have learned today, what are the variables and why they are used, how to create variables, rules for naming them, Python's main data types. We have practiced use examples. In next lecture we will learn about conditional statements, how to make decisions in our code using if, else and else statements. So we'll meet again in next video.